Hello, we are almost in March, and as every month I'm going to present to you the best options where you can put your bitcoins or stable coins to work for you. Well, the options that I will compare are Leden, BlockFi and Celsius. And let's start with Bitcoin. The best option for Bitcoin is Leden. They will pay you a reward of 6.25%, and the second best option will be Celsius. They will pay 6.2% annually. Okay, the downside for Leden is that they will charge the miner's fee in order to withdraw your Bitcoin. Celsius, they don't charge anything. They don't charge any fee when you want to withdraw, and BlockFi, they give you one withdraw for free a month. If we move to a stable coin, Leden is again the best option. They pay 9.25% annually for USDC. Second best option is Celsius, 8.5%, and as you can see on the screen, the withdrawal fee for Leden is 35 USDC. So if you don't have any money working for you, here I give you the QR codes where you can scan it, and when you move your funds or part of your funds to these companies and use the code, they will give you a reward. Okay, so please do your own research and don't put more money than you can afford to lose. See you next time.